I was diagnosed at 22, and that was 5 years ago. So I was a regular, healthy 22-year-old, and we got a phone call on my spring break to come back and redo my blood work because my kidney functions were off. It was really because of a routine physical. I've never had any symptoms, never would have known without my physical.
It was hard for me to imagine there was no treatment for it. A little bit of desperation, and then the idea of the clinical trial was hope.
My doctor referred me to, I think it was 2 different studies I qualified for at the time. And so he had the study coordinator come see me at one of my visits to go over the study. I really trusted my doctor, and the way he presented the medicine, it sounded like it would be a better fit than what I was doing, and what I was doing wasn't working. In August 2015, we all started the drug. And so there's another 8-hour day at the hospital because they took our labs like every couple of hours to see how it was going through our system. Other than that, I just go every 3 months for like an hour and a half visit, and they do labs that I get the results later.
A worry I had was, okay, I think the first contract maybe was, let's say 3 years. So at the end of 3 years, let's say it's working, does that mean she can't have the drug anymore? And they assured us that as long as it was still in study, they would take care of it and she would be able to stay on it.
They were very clear that, just try it. If for some reason it's not helping you and what you were doing before was better, you can stop the study and get back. Once you sign up for the study, you're not locked in for life. You don't have to stick with it if it's not going to help you. For me, I have great results on the study, and so I've been in the study 3.5 years now. It'll be 4 years in June, and so it was the best decision we could have made for me. But they've been clear the whole time that if I'm never not comfortable with the study, I don't have to continue.
They just were real reassuring at how closely she would be monitored. So if any little thing looked abnormal or they thought she was having any adverse effects, they would find out really quickly and could stop it.
At one point in time, I had access to 2 different doctors at the trial. My doctor was on the study, so he would see me on my visits, but the head doctor on the study, if my labs are off, he would personally call me and go over what was off and decide if we should do what we should do to adjust. My potassium's gotten a little high in the study, so they watch that very closely. If I'm even over normal, they redo the blood work to see if it was a fluke, and if not, we've actually adjusted my diet to kind of counteract that. We started us out at different doses, like some people did 200, 400, so I'm on the full 800 milligram dose.
And I felt very comfortable. She's monitored for every little thing you can imagine. Being on the study drug hasn't limited her in any way. She loves to travel. Even on the study drug, she was able to go to Ethiopia to do a mission trip with her doctor's blessing, and take the study drug with her. If
you're doing well, they don't want you to stop taking it. So I've signed on for like another couple years to extend what I already had signed on for, and they'll keep doing that until it hopefully finally gets FDA approved and on the market.
It's not a cure. We know it's not a cure, and eventually down the road she will need a transplant. But I really truly believe that she would already be in the situation of needing a transplant if not for this drug. She's still hanging in there, and the kidneys have deteriorated some, but not rapidly.